Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Unlock the iPhone and connect to Wi-Fi because the phone must reach Apple and any MDM server. Once done, open Settings and navigate to General. Make sure to tap VPN and Device Management. You need the Apple ID credentials if the profile is protected, so have them ready. This first step is about access and visibility. You are looking for installed profiles, management names, and any enrollment indicators, which tell you whether the device is supervised or managed. Now inspect each profile. Tap a profile name to see issuer, permissions, and certificate details. This shows what the MDM can do, like remote wipe or installing apps. Make sure to read enrollment status. If it says supervised or managed, the organization controls device settings. Also check installed VPNs, Wi-Fi, and single sign-on entries because MDM often installs those. If you see unknown certificates, note issuer names. They can reveal the organization operating the MDM and why specific permissions exist. Finish by attempting remove management if present. If the option is grayed out, the device is supervised or enrolled via DEP and cannot be removed without the organization. Make sure to contact the listed organization or your IT admin to request unenrollment. Do not factory reset unless authorized. If things go wrong, reboot the iPhone, install the latest iOS update, and collect screenshots of the profile page, then share them with IT. These steps resolve most recognition and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.